Hi, in this video we're going to have a look at Minimal Webshop at the products interface and at the settings to customize your webshop. Now, if you've gone through the onboarding wizard, you've already set up your demo products or your own products and added it to your webshop. And you'll be greeted with this interface when you next log in. This is the dashboard showing you the screenshot of your webshop. You'll see total number of sales. In this case, I've already done a demo sale. You can see what products you have in the shop and everything is green. Your store is published and ready to accept customers. If you want to go ahead and change some products, you go into the products page. And each product has a couple of settings, of course. You can have an internal name. This could be like a SKU if you use things like that. You have a public title and a public description, and of course the image of that product. Under license types, you can add different license types or price types for your product. So let's say you have a personal edition or a team edition, a company edition where you want separate pricing for each and different license conditions. You can add them to the product on this page. You can see each license has a name, and then in the description, you can add what are the restrictions or what are the limitations of that license, and you can add a price. Now, the pricing here is in one of the supported currencies, but if you choose any currency, you can go into Paddle and activate automatic conversions into other currencies, localized currencies, and your web shop will automatically reflect the local currency for this product or for this license. Under files, you can then add the files that your customers will receive if they purchase your product. You can add any number of files, PDFs, zips for multimedia content, and we'll be adding a lot more file types here that are supported. If there's anything missing, contact us and we'll figure it out. That's it for the products. Now, if you've made changes, and I'm just gonna, make a change here, hit save. You're going to see on the products page that the publish changes button has appeared and that you have an unpublished change. So if you make any changes in your products, they're all inside Minimal Webshop, but your published webshop stays the same until you hit publish changes, which synchronizes those changes into the shop and into Paddle in the backend. On the sales page, you can see one of the sales, demo sales I just did. You can find out the basic information. This shows you a quick overview, but of course all the transaction information is available in your Paddle account at any time. On the settings page, you can change a couple of things that are displayed. For example, on the email, what is your business name? What is the company address? Give it a friendly company name. So maybe your legal company name is different to the name that you're doing business as. You can add the support email or the webshop URL. On the merchant, you can add your different merchants. You already have a Paddle account configured here, so that's fine. The shop design lets you customize how the shop is shown. We have some upcoming features here where the design will be much more easy to edit, but for now, if you want, you can have full control over the CSS of the shop, so to make it really yours. If you check out our homepage, you can see different examples of how closely you can match the webshop design to the surrounding web page, depending on your style and your brand. And last but not least, you've already gone through the embed process during the onboarding, but if you ever need the script again to add the shop to a new website or want to change website provider, change the CMS, you can do that from the Embed Shop settings page. And there you go. That's Minimal Webshop.